You already know it's important to have your transmission serviced. In fact, it's part of the factory's recommended maintenance schedule. But they usually recommend a basic service that includes removing the pan, replacing the filter, and refilling the transmission. So why should you choose a complete fluid exchange service? Because the transmission fluid is the lifeblood of your transmission. Along with lubricating the gear train, it is also used to apply the clutches. As your transmission fluid ages, its ability to do its job is greatly diminished. A basic transmission service only replaces a small part of the transmission fluid. Most of the old, worn-out fluid remains in your transmission. A fluid exchange service replaces nearly all of the fluid, which helps keep your car's transmission on the road much longer. The transmission physicians at your nearby Cottman Center will be happy to show you the difference, and they're equipped to perform a fluid exchange service when you're ready. Until next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please check out the other videos in the Cottman Man and Transmission Physician Educational Video Series, and make sure to subscribe below if you haven't already. Check out Cottman.com for new videos and other updates.